What's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as the launch date of the upcoming Galaxy S21 series is coming nearer and nearer, we expect all of the things are known up till now for the device. But not yet, the rumor mill is active right now again. Since we know that there are only going to be 3 ways in which we can unlock our device, and these ways are going to be the face unlock, the in-display fingerprint scanner or the physical fingerprint scanner, and the pin or pattern or even the passwords are the 3 options which we can use in order to unlock our device. But now a new leak which has been coming from courtesy to Sam Mobiles that Samsung Galaxy S21 series is coming with One UI 3.1 that has a new feature which will allow you to unlock your device using your voice scroll, which means that Bixby is going to be back again. Although this was not a new feature which is implemented inside the Galaxy S21 series One UI 3.1, it was for the first time was used in the Galaxy S8 series, and since then we haven't seen any of the Bixby unlocking system using your voice in other devices except the S8. So another information which is very important for that Bixby unlocking system, do keep in mind that just like the face unlock, the voice unlock will probably not be more secure biometric method, as it can be fooled by your recording voice or some person who has a similar voice just like you. Only fingerprint scanner and pattern, pin or passwords are the secure methods up till now. Next, we also have some information about the S21 series cases, and a new cases images has been leaked online for the S21 and S21 Plus devices. And looking at these cases, you will notice that the case are coming on the sides of the device, which means that the camera bump which slides around the corners are not going to be visible in these cases. Also, one more interesting information that Samsung has made the launch of Exynos 1080 5G processor online, and new teaser has been coming for that processor. According to new information which is coming from Samsung officially, that this device is going to be supported by an octa-core chipset inside. Along with that, it can support up to 200 megapixel of a sensor inside, and HDR10 plus support. Video recording up to 4K UDH is also supported, and also it can support a 144 Hz of refresh rate, because it is going to be based on 5nm architecture. So guys, this processor I personally think will be available for all those upper mid-range category of devices coming from Samsung, and maybe in the future we are going to see the Exynos 2100 processor is going to be implemented. So guys, these are some of the information which are coming latest for the Samsung world. If you want to keep yourself updated regarding the latest technology news in the mobile industry, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.